In this video, I'm going to show you what success means for me. What is up, everybody? Dimitris here. Welcome to another video. I hope you're doing fantastic, you are thriving in life and in business. And in this video, I wanted to talk about success and what success really means for me. So for me, success, if we go right here into my iPad, success for me means only one thing. And for me, success means freedom. Freedom to do whatever I want whenever I want to do it. And I'll tell you one thing. So for me, success, I see it as a giant circle. And you know what? Money is good. You can have like a really nice car. You can have a really nice house or whatever is it that you want, like a yacht or a villa or whatever that is. But overall, for me, success is defined by the freedom to do whatever I want when I want it. And after spending a lot of time thinking, and after having many days that I used to work like for 16 hours per day, working really hard, I realized this is not what I want exactly, because I want the freedom to do whatever I want, as I said already, whenever I want. And one of the things I want, which is really important for me, and I'll draw a circle and I do it like that, for me, really important is spending time with family. And I'm married, I'm happily married, I have a daughter, Andrea, and I'm expecting soon a new baby daughter. So for me, spending time with them, going to the beach, eating nice food, taking them outside with the bicycle, going for a ride, whatever is it that you do, I want to see my kids growing. I want to spend time with them because these are really important. And you might not relate with this video because you might not have family or you are way younger than I am, but you still have like parents, your mom and your dad. I'm super lucky to have them both, and I'm spending time with them. I'm calling them literally every single day, sometimes even twice per day. It's really important to understand that these guys, they brought you to life and they're going to live life soon. They are way older than we are, and they're not going to be here forever. And some of you, I know that you might have lost one of your mom or dad, and I cannot even imagine how difficult that must be. So the other, like either your mom or your dad, is still there with you. You need to be spending time with them, calling them, going ahead right there, because it really makes them happy to see you, to talk to you, to spend time with you. So for me, that is really important and is super priority. Another thing that I want to be doing, that I'm actually doing a lot, but due to COVID right now, not so much, is traveling. So for me, the freedom, and let me write here again, freedom for me, traveling all over the world is what gives me power, is what gives me a better life experience. Like over now, I've been to over 25 countries. I've met people from all over the world, and this is one of the greatest things in my life. I can proudly say that I have friends all over the world right now, probably into more 60 or 70 countries, and I still have a ton of places to go. I love getting to meet people. I love getting to enjoy their culture, see different things, not only, seeing the monuments, but experiencing the life as they are actually living right there. So for me, going around places is really important. Leave a comment below and let me know where in the world are you watching this video. So really important, family and travel. I would say even above all things, I would say health. Health, the freedom gives me the time to focus on my health. And why health is really important? Because if we don't have health and we have money, we cannot do shit without it. So for many years, I wasn't taking care of myself. I was eating bullshit food, junk food, pizza, souvlaki, burger. I was drinking Coca-Cola. I was eating a lot of sweets and candies and chocolate and shit like that. And I was seeing my body and I wasn't really happy about it. But I knew that this was 100% my fault, and it had nothing to do about freedom. Because when you're really, really dedicated and you want to do things, you are going to do them. It doesn't matter if you work a 9 to 5 or you have your own business. These are excuses. If you want to focus, you need to focus on your health. So right now, after Corona and during Corona, Corona made me realize that I need to be focusing on taking care of my health, having like a really, really good diet, or let me say nutrition. So right now I'm exercising daily and I feel much, much better, even mentally, and wanting to focus. And for me also, freedom means mindset. Freedom means mindset. Freedom means having the time to develop new skills, having the time to go over books, reading, focusing on your mindset and focusing on how you can expand it, focusing on enhancing the belief that you are able to do everything in life. So I can tell you right now, I highly, highly recommend to finish up with mindset. I highly, highly recommend that you spend 1 hour per day focusing on a mindset, reading a new book, listening to a podcast, doing affirmations. I highly, highly recommend that you get to focus and realize no matter what you do, where you are in life right now, it's because of your beliefs, limiting beliefs, negative beliefs, and on your mindset. If you focus just 1 hour per day focusing on yourself, I can tell you that after 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, even after years, your mindset will develop and you will become overall a much, much better person. So overall, I see all these people, they're saying, oh, hustle 16 hours per day, no days off, weekends, Sundays and shit like that. So I don't want to lie, I've done this thing myself. And there are days that I still do it because I have a lot of work, but you need to be taking time off. You need to be going out for a walk, developing, your mindset, spending time for your health, exercising, going out with friends, spending time with family, no matter what you do, in order to have a more successful business. I hope you really, really enjoyed this video. I really, really appreciate your love and support. So leave a like below. Leave a comment and subscribe because we're doing these videos twice per week and we are getting new content. Thank you so very much. I hope you really, really enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.